My name is Kirtana Akasaram and my matrix number is 33DCE20F2011.
Hi everyone, I'm Salindra Rajathan and my matrix number is 33DCE20F2006.
What is complaint? Complaint is a statement that something is unsatisfactory or unacceptable. It can be made through an oral or a written form.
As an effective worker, you have to be able to handle complaints from any customer who are not satisfied from the product that is sold or any services.
Let's watch the video. Hey, hi!
Oh, hi!
Remember me?
Of course, how are you doing?
Thanks for the beautiful trip by your agency. Life has been so much of troubles in my life, but your trip made me to feel relief and motivated, so on. So this trip is like a break for me in my life.
I'm really grateful for how you're feeling. Sometimes breaks like this, like taking breaks, trips, could really make you more stronger for your upcoming goals. Thank you for your appreciative words and don't forget to plan the next trip with us, okay?
Sure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm really amazed from how our agency trip plannings could affect someone. I'm happy our agency trips are a healing point for our customers. I wish I could give souvenirs as a token of appreciation for them.
Why not? Hi Tina.
Hello, madam.
I'm sorry for calling during off hours. I was thinking something. Our customers' feedback were quite good lately, which increased our company's rating. Why not we give some souvenirs as a token of appreciation for our customers?
That's a great idea, madam. Do you have anything about it on your mind?
Not exactly.
No problem. Let me look out for it and reach you in a while.
Thank you, Tina.
Sure, madam.
The next day.
Excuse me, madam. I've been looking for some souvenirs product that you have mentioned yesterday.
Oh yeah, what happened actually?
I found some company's profile and their products and reviews are great as well.
That's great.
Why don't you have a look, madam?
Then let's confirm the order and do the payment settlement.
2 weeks later.
Yes?
Hello madam, there is a parcel for you.
Thank you. Excuse me, madam. Here's the parcel, madam.
Okay. What is this? Is this what I paid for?
Very sorry, madam. I forgot a good research, but the mistake on the other side.
I'm not satisfied with this order. I want replacement. I'm going to return this and I want replacement. Hello, how may I help you? I'm here to file a complaint against this company. I am very dissatisfied with this company handling my orders. Is this how you treat your customers? Is this how you handle your customers' order with such carelessness? Look at how damaged the orders are. Even the orders were received late. When you were supposed to receive the orders?
We have to receive the orders on 4th June, madam, but we have received on 11th June.
I cannot accept this. I want to meet the manager.
What's going on?
She's one of our customer, madam. She's having order problems.
Okay, let's talk about it in my office. Please calm down, madam. I understand what you're going through. The fault is on our side.
I'm sorry I cannot calm myself down. This order is very personal to me. I ordered this for my customers as a token of appreciation, and this is what I get. This is what I get for how much money I paid. I am very unhappy and very dissatisfied with this order. I really want a replacement and a refund. I'm going to file a complaint against this company.
Please don't file a complaint because it will downgrade our company. Instead, we can give you a discount or replacement.
I accept the offer, but I want at least half refund because look at how damaged it is.
I'm very sorry, madam, as we can't offer you a half refund. Instead, we can give you a discount voucher.
That could do, but please don't repeat this mistake again. Always handle your orders with extra care.
Alright, thank you for understanding, madam.
You're welcome. Whatever it is, there's always a solution for every problem.
We hope you really enjoyed our roleplay and thank you!